My name is Commander Mary Ann Stampley, and I'm currently the officer in charge of RILSO Midland Detachment Groton in Groton, Connecticut, which is on the subbase in New London. Before that, I was the Deputy Environmental Counsel at Fleet Forces Command, and I've had various jobs along my career at doing personnel law, administrative law, advising commanders, being in school, doing the whole gambit. I have specialized in environmental law for the past 4 years. I was able to go to a civilian institution and get my master's of law in environmental law. And then I was able to serve at Fleet Forces Command, specifically on that portfolio, the environmental law portfolio. And environmental law has a direct impact on the mission of the Navy because it's through our practice of getting permits and ensuring that we're complying with domestic statutes and regulations that enables the fleet to do the training that it needs to do in order to be able to deploy and go take on operations and missions that have real world impacts. So before we're able to go do those things, it's that whole training responsibility that has a direct touch of the environmental law field. So as much as we serve the fleet through operations, we serve them through environmental work as well. So I decided to pursue environmental law in my second tour as a judge advocate. It had been something that was sort of in the back of my mind while I was in law school. I was able to go to a law school that had programs that had environmental law pieces to them, and it was sort of something I was interested in. And then in my second tour, I was working for a Navy captain who had done environmental law and had specialized in it and was now doing personnel law. But in hearing his experiences and hearing the work that he did, I was just really interested in this field. And so after that tour, I wasn't able to go get my LLM at that point, but I went to Japan and I was able to do another great job, and I just had another amazing experience. And at the end of that experience, I was able to then go and get my LLM in environmental law, and then it moved forward. The most meaningful part of this career path is seeing the direct connection between environmental law and operational law, and really understanding the value that environmental law provides to our operators as they're heading out to go do real world missions, and the support that we provide them on the front end of that for that training part of their workup cycle. And that has given me great meaning and purpose for the work that I do, to know that through my work, the fleet is able to then go out and do operations. And that's been the most meaningful part.